Turning on the machine. Grinder. Okay. Grinder's on. Okay, so we're gonna put Briel coffee. So we have 2 filters. This machine comes with 4 filters, 2 single filters, 2 double filters. So once the machine is all heated up and ready to go, all the lights are lit, we're going to use our single filter. Okay, we're going to grind our coffee. I'm using a medium setting. It's on medium, depending on the coffee that you use. This coffee tends to come out good on this setting. So I'll pack it there, put a little bit more. Alright, so now we're going to be using our single extraction. Tighten it up. Hit the button once. It's going to build pressure. Building pressure, good pressure. So this will be a short extraction. Right there, plenty of cream. Nice espresso. So now we're going to use the double filter for the 2 espresso extraction. So we'll grind our coffee. A little bit more. So on this function we can use it for extraction of a double coffee, or if you like a single coffee with a longer brew, you can use it for the single one. I'll be using it for the 2. So we'll hit this button here for the double. Now you got to wait about 10-15 seconds for it to build up pressure, for it to start brewing. So it's building up pressure now and should flow. Start building up pressure here. Good pressure. So here you go, 2 nicely extracted espressos. Good foam, and it'll work the same for the other side.